Start by bringing the needle up from behind the fabric. Pull the thread all the way through and make the first stitch about 4 mm from the starting point. Leave around the same length as the first stitch and bring the needle up. Bring the needle down where the first stitch ended. Continue making stitches by bringing the needle up about a stitch length from the previous stitch and bringing it down where the previous stitch ended. For an even looking backstitch, make the stitches the same length and keep the same tension of the thread.